We are back at it again, searching $1,001 bills in hopes of finding some collectible U.S. paper notes, some rare star notes, or maybe some older valuable bills. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. We've got another $1,001 bill hunt, and I know many of you want me to hunt other denominations. It's tough finding twos, and $5 bills would require $5,000 up front, and I just don't have that kind of spending cash right now, but I will be trying to do some of those in the future. Maybe I'll pick up some 5 straps over the next couple of weeks and try to get 10 straps of 5s. That'd make for a fun hunt if we can do it. That being said, if you're new to bill collecting or bill hunting, I have a ton of useful, resourceful links listed down below in the video description. And if you like my collectible US paper notes mat, I also have a quick link to that mat. You can find that right there. All right, 10 straps. You guys know the drill. We're going to hunt for these off camera, and I'll give you strap recaps at the end of every strap. Obviously, we'd love to find something super fancy, and in the event that I find something while I'm hunting a strap off camera, I will bring it back in immediately. Otherwise, I'll just go right to the strap recaps. If you're wondering what we got here, we got one Federal Reserve strap. This is strapped by the Federal Reserve, ordered by the bank. And these 9 straps are teller straps, and these are put together by the tellers from business deposits and things like that. Sometimes they have stamps on them, sometimes they don't. Either way, I'm excited to get into these. Now, this is from my lucky bank, so I'm hoping for 10 star notes, which is 1 per strap average, and it sure would be nice to find something fancy as well. This is becoming a long intro. Let's get the hunt started. I'll be back with my first strap recap in just a moment. Strap number 1 has been hunted. No star notes, nothing super fancy. We do have a mixed ladder. It's not a regular ladder where it counts up or down, but it has all the numbers in it. You can clearly see by the serial number, we have no more than 1 of every number, and all of them are there in order. No 0 or 9, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of a cool note. Wish it was in better shape. Probably to the right collector, a few bucks. I'm going to hold on to it because I do like mixed ladders. I like broken ladders, and they're somewhat fancy. Obviously, if they were in order, it would be a ladder, and it'd be an awesome bill. Either way, it's our first find in strap 1. Hopefully, we can find some more goodies in strap number 2. Unfortunately, strap number 2 is another strap without any star notes, so we're 0 for 2 on star notes for straps so far, but we do have another find, and it's going to be a birthday note of sorts. 2003, the 13th of December. It does work. I know it's not perfect, but if it was my birth date and it was out of order like that, I still would like it as a placeholder until I found an exact one. Either way, it's another fancy serial number. 2 somewhat fancy so far. No star notes. 2 straps down. Come on, strap number 3. Strap number 3 was our best strap overall. Finally got on the board with star notes. We have 2 of them. One 2017A, and if I can pick it up, another one from 2017. So we plug in these into the star note lookup site at the end of the video to see if we have any rare ones. And that site, of course, is listed down below in the video description. Now on to the almosters. We have an almost repeater, 7800, 7806. Would have been a nice crisp repeater, but it's not. It is a birthday note, November 1st, 1928, or the 11th of January, 1928. The problem is the person would have to be almost 96 years old now. So even though it's a birthday note of sorts, it's got some discoloration. I don't know, maybe someone has a grandparent that they would like to honor, but honestly, it's too old. I don't keep bills over 85 years old as far as the birthday note's concerned. You guys let me know if you'd keep that one, even with the damage. Probably not one I'm going to keep. And then we had an older bill, a series 1988A, and I've said it before and I'll say it again. Always check your 88As, your 93s, and your 95s for what's known as a web note. They experimented with how they print bills for those series, and obviously what you're looking for is a printing plate number above 1 next to In God We Trust. You do not want it below 1 down there. And unfortunately, I already checked. When I flip it around, the printing plate number is right down there below 1, which means it's not the valuable one. I'll keep it though because it's older than 1995, and I keep all 95 and older notes, and we'll add it to my older notes collection. 3 straps down, board starting to fill up. Let's see if strap 4 gives us more goodies. Strap number 4, one find, a a 2017 Series A star note, our third of the hunt. Let's see if strap number 5 can get us another star note. Strap number 5 has been hunted, and it gave us another star note. That's number 4, so we're hanging on the star notes, not quite at the 1 per strap average. It also gave us a couple of close calls. Take a look at this. 85-10, 85-16, similar to that last one. Not a repeater, but close. We'll send it back. And then, man, as far as trinaries go, trinary being the serial numbers made up of 3 numbers, this is one I would consider keeping. But man, it was almost a binary. Had that last digit been a 6, it would have been a really nice bill with 6s and 0s. If it was in better condition, I would keep it as a trinary. If it was a 6 at the end, I'd keep it no matter what as a binary. Not a keeper. Man, just another close call, an almoster, if you will. We did get a star note out of that strap. We're halfway done with the hunt. We have 4 star notes, 1 older bill, and a couple of semi-fancy serial numbers. Nothing too spectacular yet, but like I said, only halfway done. We are now moving on to the second half of the straps. Strap number 6, kick us off in solid fashion. We're in the middle of strap number 6, and I brought you in because I got excited for a second. Have a 2013 B Series star note here. And if you don't know about the duplicated star note print run from 2013 from the B Series, I have information about that down below. Unfortunately, it has to be a serial number at 9.6 million or below to even be part of, or possibly part of, the duplicated star notes. They printed them twice, so you can get actually matching serial numbers like I had in my last video, but with the exact same series, exact same year. The only difference is you'd have Fort Worth and Washington, D.C. notes. Either way, this is above 9.6 million. It's 9,625,470. So it's outside of the duplicated B Series 2013 star note range. Those star notes sell for between 20 and 50 bucks at any grade because everyone's trying to match them up. This is not one. It still fetches more being a 2013 B Series, but man, close call. I got excited. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me get back to strap 6. Unfortunately, strap number 6 had no other finds other than the previously talked about B Series star note. That makes 5 star notes now. 6 straps in, only 4 straps to go. All right, let's see if we can find some more goodies in strap number 7. Strap number 7 did us proud with 2 more star notes, one from 2017, one from 2013, and now with those 2, we finally made up the ground, and we have 7 star notes found through 7 straps hunted. I'll definitely take that. We also had another almoster, of course. Man, had that one been a 5 or a 9, would have been a great bill. 5999519. Even a little bit of an over-inking error on the second 9, but yeah. Either way, it's not in great shape. We'll be sending it back. Just another close call. Had the last 9 been in the middle and I had 5 of a kind in a row, I would have kept it, but that's not a keeper. Still, a good strap. 7 straps down now. 3 more to go. Let's go strap 8. Well, unfortunately, strap number 8 was a complete bust, so all that work to catch up on the star notes, now we're minus 1 star note as far as star notes per strap average, trying to get that 1 per 1, 7 star notes, 8 straps. We did have one bill to talk about. It's not a low serial number. It does have 3 zeros in the front. I don't even see very many 3-0 notes out there as much anymore as I used to. But low serial numbers, you want at least 4 zeros in front. 5 zeros in front is better. This is only 3 zeros, 14,991, but wanted to talk about low serial numbers. People sometimes think these have value with 3 zeros. They really don't unless the serial number is fancy, and this one is not. Like I said, no finds in strap 8. Only 2 straps left. Let's see what strap 9 can do for us. Strap number 9 was a bust. Dang it, now we need 3 star notes in this last strap, but I'll take whatever I can get. Maybe something fancy. It's our last shot. Hopefully it's a good one. I'll be back with a strap recap of the final strap of this 10-strap hunt in just a moment. We have now completed the 10-strap hunt. We did find 1 more star note. At least we got 8 for the hunt. In just a moment, I'll be plugging these in the star note lookup site to see if we have any rare ones. But I also want to bring up the last bill of the hunt. It's actually the second to the last bill of the strap. Another almost, or it would have been a nice binary, but that 8 messed it up. 4664, then 8, and then 464. Man, really needed that 8 to be a 6. Would have been a nice bill. But either way, we'll send it back. Can't get mad at finding 8 star notes. A couple of fancy ones. That's a mixed ladder up there and a birthday note. And then only one bill from 1995 or earlier. Kind of a tough hunt overall, but I'll still take it. Got them at face value. Let's see if we have any rare star notes, though, to amp up this tough hunt. All right, we have plugged all of the star notes into the star note lookup site. Unfortunately and expectedly, no rare ones. They're all really common. Nothing here has a low print run or a low total printed. Like I said, the most exciting one we found was that B series one just outside the duplicated range. I validated on the Star Note lookup site. Still a fun hunt overall. Star notes like these are about $2 to $3 a piece. Obviously, some are worth less, but generally you can get about 2 to 3 times face value for common star notes. And then, of course, we got the other side finds I'll add to my collectible bills collection. Hopefully, despite the lack of fancy finds and the lack of star notes, you guys still found this bill hunt fun and hopefully informative. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.